Hello and welcome. Today, I'll show you what the role of a software tester involves by walking you through an example and how the DiTeLe app guides you step by step towards becoming a software tester. Ready? Let's get started. Imagine the DiTeLe app is like a learning tool that supports you on your path to becoming an ISTQB certified tester, providing specific tasks to help you put theory into practice. Right now, we're in a test scenario, a specific task in the app that includes a test case. This test case describes what and how we need to test to ensure that the software meets the customer's requirements. In customer testing, also called acceptance testing, our goal is to ensure customer satisfaction by verifying that the software functionality meets the customer's needs and expectations. In this scenario, we open the test environment, which acts like a playground for testers. Here, we can run all tests safely without impacting the live system. Now, once we're in the test environment, we may notice some issues. However, in a customer test, we focus strictly on the specific scenario given. Any issues that arise outside of the scenario are addressed in a separate exploratory test, which allows us to examine the system for unexpected issues. Let's move on to the test scenario of user registration. We fill in all the required information in the registration window and try to register. We encounter an error. The registration fails and there's no option to create a user account. This error causes the test case to fail, meaning that the functionality doesn't meet the requirements. To document this error, we create a bug report, and here is where the test management tool Jira X-Ray comes into play. We open the tool and create a new bug. An effective bug report includes a precise error description in the title, a detailed step-by-step guide to reproduce the error, and a screenshot illustrating the issue. As testers, it's our job to clearly and accurately describe to the developer what went wrong and how they can reproduce the error. This makes the error traceable and developers can work efficiently on a solution. Once the bug ticket is created, we attach the link to this bug in our DiTeLe task and submit it for review to our trainer. In a project setting, the trainer would be like the developer, who analyzes and fixes the issue. This demonstrates how documentation and tracking of bugs are essential, not only for error resolution, but also to highlight the importance of clear and precise communication in the testing process. Now comes the step of retesting. The developer analyzes and fixes the issue, then returns to the failed test case to us for re-execution. We start the testing process again and check the user registration functionality. This time, the input is successful. The user is created and the issue is resolved. The test case can now be marked as OK and has passed the retest. Our example is now complete. Thank you for watching. I hope this example gave you a clear insight into the daily life of a software tester. The DiTeLe app offers you many more scenarios to deepen your knowledge. If you want to be fully prepared for the ISTQB CTFL certification and successfully tackle your next or even first IT project, sign up for our training today. Together, we will lay the foundation for your success as a software tester. See you next time!